In today's video, I'm going to work on front fender for Camry 2019, I believe. Front fender, there is some imperfection on the doors, especially this nasty dent on the door. Not gonna sure how much I can improve this. This is a very bad one, has a bad crease and pushed in. Also you can see the brace mark there, so we need to work a lot on the door. For the front fender, there's a good access behind, but this one also has some paint damage, so gonna be very tricky to remove this dent. This is a very nasty sharp dent, so stay tuned and see what's gonna happen with that.